Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will to show you the way how to edit Google Spreadsheet in a view only mode by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go open the documents that is in a view mode or format by go click and open. So a view format will be like directly shown information through down here that these documents will be in a view format, or if you want to check it you just click the cells and take a look on this bottom features. If there is no pencil symbols right here, means that you cannot edit these documents, so means that this document is in a view mode. Or the other way to do to check this document format is go click these three small dots, and right below the title there will be like explaining the format of the documents. So here, if you are in a view only format, you will have no access to edit the documents. To do the editing, you need to request the edit access into the owner and wait until the owner give you permission to edit the documents. But then if you need these documents real quick, you can do this instead. Go click this share and export and go click make a copy, and the application will start copy everything on this spreadsheets documents, and the owner of this document is already changed from the previous one. This is already yours, so whenever you want to edit this document, now it's already available. So you just need to go click the cells that you want to change and go click this pencils button and just write according to what you need to add. So that's the way how to edit the spreadsheets document in a view only format. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next video.